I'm going to discuss about the first 11 section of the Article 10, which mainly focuses on the local government unit. Now, this article includes their power on or how they work and also their responsibilities as the local government unit. So now, let's proceed to section 1. Now, the section 1 it mainly focuses on the division of the political division of the local government. Now, according to section 1, the Republic of the Philippines is divided into, or it has a division of the provinces, cities, municipalities, and also the barangay. Now, in section 1, it also included the autonomous region, such as the Muslim Mindanao and also the Cordillera. But they are they have their own rule, which is different from us because of their culture. But later on, Ireland will explain it further. Now, what are the roles of the LGU? Now, there are two roles of the LGU, which is the governmental and the corporate. Now, if we're talking about governmental, it is the way they act as the agent in which they handle the tasks such as in taxation or collecting money from the people. And also, the second one is the corporate in which they provide services to the people. Now, let's proceed to the section 2. Now, the section 2 mainly focuses on how the LGU has the autonomy. Now, if we're talking about autonomy, they have the right to govern themselves, and they have this, they exercise the three inherent powers of the government, which is the police power, the power of eminent domain, and also the power of taxation. Now, why local autonomy is important? Now, it is important since dahil dito, mas susukuan yung problema ng isang local or yung problem sa isang local. And dito malalaman if gumagalaw ba talaga yung LGU. And also, because of this, mangyayari yung participation ng mga tao. So, despite from that, yung Philippines is still a unitary state. Therefore, mas higher yung rank ng national government compared sa local government. Now, let's proceed to section 3. Now, the section 3 mainly focuses on the local governmental code. Now, in section 3 it states that the Congress
Group 2 ba yan or Group 3?
a local governmental code in which it includes the function and the outline of the LGU. Now, what is included in that local governmental code? Now, it includes their power, their duties, and also the mechanisms such as this, recall, initiative, and referendum. So, ito na yung explain. Explain na naman. Yes. Now, and as a matter of fact, yung local governmental code 1991 or our Republic Act 7160, ito yung foundation ng LGU. Now, let's proceed to section 4. Now, in section 4 is really focuses on how yung president, siya yung nag-oversee sa mga LGU, in which nag-supervise siya sa LGU on how ipinapalo ba nila yung law or national law, but they cannot dictate yung mga policies na mismo ng LGU. Now, it is safe and how yung local government is inahandle nila yung mga lower unit such as yung provinces, para ino-oversee nila yung cities and municipalities, and also yung city and municipalities, ino-oversee nila yung barangay. Now, let's proceed to section 5. Now, the section 5 really focuses on the power of taxation of the LGU. Now, the LGU has the ability to have their own revenue of sources, such as collecting monetary taxation, and they can use it to develop their locals and so on. Now, however, yung congressismo is they should set a guideline in which sinasabi doon na in that guideline they should